What's up, America? This is Cameron over at 816 Diesel, coming at you on a Thursday morning here. It's about 60 degrees outside. We're cold start walking around on this 2006 GMC Sierra 3500. It is a 1-ton crew cab 4x4 dually with a 6.6 liter Duramax LBZ engine and 6-speed Allison automatic transmission. Super nice truck. It has been sitting out here all morning, has not been running, so we're going to be starting it up cold. But let's hop in here and check her out real quick. Put the phone down. 163,599 on the miles. Truck fires up. It's quiet. It's a 100% stock truck. Never modified at all. Very clean old truck as well. Very nice condition. It is not all ragged out. It has rear entertainment with the TV and the DVD player. It is a sunroof truck. Oh, it's got the Bose audio. It's got your heated seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, push button 4-wheel drive. Got all your radio controls here for your tunes, cruise control. Really nice truck head to toe though. Turn the radio on, show you it works. It's got your OnStar rear view mirror, and you got overhead controls as well. I don't know what else to tell you on the inside here. It's the SLT trim, so it's the loadedest they come. And yeah, we've got all season mats in here as well. Really nice truck on the inside. It's super clean. But let's take a look around the outside, go over a few things here. Pop the hood and look under the hood first. No surprises, nothing bad. Very clean under the hood. The well-serviced stock truck. Like I said, it's stock. Unmolested LBZ, which is nice to find. No blow by. No head pressure. Nice soft hose. Everything you want to see. There's the reason these trucks are sought after. They're pretty much bulletproof. I did not close the hood there. Alright, so going over the fine details. We got some rock chips in the front bumper, little stuff like that. I mean, this truck's over 10 years old. It's got 160K. There's normal little scratches and stuff like this. I mean, you're only seeing that because of the sun, really. Just some little ones, but super clean head to toe. The only thing we changed on this truck when we got it is a set of tires. We got some 285, 75, 16 Patagonia ATs. They're brand new, 0 miles, 10-ply tires. A lot of tread on them. We serviced the suspension, inner and outer tire rod ends. We did an alignment on her. And other than that, this truck, we got it in great shape. Mechanically, it runs awesome. It's very, very clean. Minor dents and dings. The only bad thing I can say is it did have a little bit of rust on it at some point. Someone did a little repair. You can just kind of tell how it bows out a little bit there. It's not terrible and it's not super noticeable unless you open the door and look at it, but it is there. You got some little small rock chips in the bottom of the dually bed here, which is pretty common. The dually bed is in good shape. It is not beat up or anything. It's got one crack in it that's been fixed in fiberglass. It's nice and solid. It doesn't move or anything, but just one little crack down there below the 4x4. A little dust on it, but it's got a bed liner in it, and it does not have a hitch. It's a very odd sight to see a 1-ton dually that does not have a fifth wheel or gooseneck hitch in it, but it is a clean old bed. This truck is super clean underneath. It is not all rusty or anything. It's nice looking. So you're gonna notice a little, oh, that's just wax, never mind. Tailgate, it's not perfect. It definitely has some rock chips on it from seeing the open road. Bumper is a little bent in right there, just the plastic trim part. exhaust is stock. Someone just threw a tip on there. This bed has a couple scratches up here, a couple minor. They might buff out. I'm not the best body guy here, so I couldn't tell you. But other than that, little scratches and stuff to expect from a 160,000 mile truck. It's in pretty dang good shape, with the exception of, like I said, a little bit of rust repair previously. It's like this side too. The cab corner isn't bad, but you can tell someone either put some stuff to stop it or touched it up a little bit. I didn't check to see if this powers on or works or anything, but give it a try here. Not positive if it runs through the head unit or what. But black LBZ guys, they don't stay around long, especially when they're loaded up with decent miles. So head over to 816diesel.com. You can find all the HD pictures. You're going to find the VIN number, all the information on this truck that you might need. All the info's over on the website, along with my cell phone, 913-735-3748. If you have any questions or anything, or want to schedule an appointment to come see it, just give me a shout. My name's Cameron. Call, text, day, night, anytime, excuse me, doesn't matter. You can also reach us at the shop direct, 816-298-7030. It is our landline at the shop here. It's hit and miss. Best to just get on the website or text me or call me. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, feel free to give us a shout, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.